Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Natwest Bank. First, go to your web browser. Here you need to search for Natwest Bank. Then click to open natwest.com. This is its homepage. On scrolling down to the end, you can see different products it offers. Click on Bank Accounts to start your journey with it. Here, first you need to select what type of account you want to create. I'm continuing with Everyday Bank Account, which is a normal one, but you can choose one as per your choice. Here, you'll see the features of your selected bank account type. Click on Continue to select account. Next, you need to click on Ready to apply. After that, scroll down and click on Continue. Now you need to select Open a sole select account from the given list. Click on Next to proceed further. Then tell whether you are a new customer or an existing one. Then click on Next. Now you're all set to have an account. You'll need to approve your identity by uploading either your passport or ID card. Click on Start your application. So this is your application form in which you have to put all the required information. Once you're done, click on Next and you will have successfully created an account on Natwest Bank. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.